So this is my delicious Fredo chicken. This is Chef Fredo chicken. I have two big delicious pans. Oh, and put mushroom Alfredo sauce in here with very fresh cream. Put roasted garlic Alfredo sauce. And the juices, Alfredo juices is I put the chicken once in the chicken broth. Cajun seasoning. I had two kinds of Cajun seasoning. Two pay a lot of this is leftovers. And so they deleted the other video. Call it delicious cheese. I got the pasta. Oh, delicious cheese. And they thought that's how they are. They think they're talk to me in here with a head full of lotion on Christmas, but I don't think that's why they get none eating this in here. Knock it over on the floor. Because they don't know how to cook. They don't know how to cook, they're just going to sport it. And then I'm going to put it in the oven before then I'm sure I'll show you how to do it, but I just like scoop it out. Then the big and then put the oven. So and then I put that in the other one. Two big pans, a lot of leftovers. And that's what I said, you two big plates. The one who was in it, not going to prison, he said, you're the only one eating. This is the pictures of, that's my F-son. They thought they were trying to sleep, talking to me in here, Mom, Parent, would have for the Lord, you know, with Christian power. That's Chris' picture on my boat cap. That law there, your trip to his sister, that law there, Simon. That Shorty was in court and they keep threatening me over. And that's on my Texas driver license. I just bought this tax Walmart. My Texas driving license, places on my Texas driving license. My address on it, this is my place, and this is our boat cap picture right here. And Farron 12, now they're trying to blow it, 1978. And all these fake pictures there, here's Chris Ray Simon, your trip to his sister, and still doing it. My Texas Karen Texas driver license. And on my boat cap pictures. This is Brian, my son brother's place, Brian Pumper. So I turned it off so they would. And then, so that's what I had for a time asked me to tell you. I've been living here for 3 years. Then they come here, been turning my front shoe up. That's why it's over there. When I opened my patio back door, I've been living here for 3 years. See the trash dumpsters right out there. Two trash dumpsters right here. My two trip-turn brothers, that was them over there. They sit there over there. That better your daughter in the office. That's what they shut the manager. And they called it her daughter lawyer. They switched the apartment. This is 515. They switched over there, put 511. This is 511. 515 is over there. 2 apartments over this is 511, but 2 trash dumpsters. This is my apartment, 511. But 2 trip-train brothers over there. Mom, they never introduced themselves to me. They were off and me 6 years after I got out of the Navy. And all of they were deceiving them to cover for them. So I was staying here for 3 years, my trip-train, and they never once introduced themselves to me, Mom Pearl. About your trip-train sisters at Lord Nails, first time, and Aunt Shorty, Zelma Roy Polk, Lavinia, my Carthurma is the one deceiving me, making me think they were you. Our Heavenly Father, Lord, your Spirit told me that they were the Aunt Lord Nail and Aunt Shorty, Roy Polk. Zelma Roy Polk's disguised around to me. They never told me they were your trips. And then they go there, take the Aunt Shorty, Aunt Lord Nail mess off, make me think they're your trip sit there, you. Now, Roy Stern.